Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Only what resonates for those of you na gusto magpa-personal reading, Jane Tarot Reader. Ayan, friend ko yun guys. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang humabol sa reading na available sa akin. Madam P. Ayan, yung Facebook page namin. Search mo na lang. Hindi pa ako magpa-personal reading ulit hanggang August 2025 lang yan. So, kung gusto mong humabol, pwede pa naman. Then, after nito, hindi na ako magpa-personal reading ulit muna. So, medyo matatagalan na. So, let's start what we have here for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Pa-heart-heart na lang dyan sa baba, guys. Comment. Pa-like ng video. And, don't forget na mag-subscribe. You do have your Jack of Clover and the Joker. Bottom of the deck is 3 of Clover. Okay. Meron kang bagay na sinisimulan ngayon, maybe may kinalaman sa social media, internet, network. Yung iba sa inyo, it could be, yung iba hindi pa naman nagsisimula, pasimula pa lang. Maybe there's a person na nakakausap ka na parang may kinalaman sa social media. Maybe this is a new friend, kahit sa social media. Malaki ang influence ng social media, ng communication sa online, dito sa sinisimulan mo na ito. The 3 of Clover is here. I mean, number 3 is growth. Pero it takes action. Hindi siya mag-grow kung wala kang action. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga problema ka pang kinakaharap ngayon or kakaharapin bago siya fully maging ma-accomplish or bago siya magtuloy or bago siya maging pera. The 10 of Diamonds is money, but I can see success, guaranteed ang success dito at ang pera, but there's problem first bago yon, no? But I can see the problem will eventually mag-e-end naman siya. So, syempre, pagtaas ng ending ng problema na yun, yung growth na, yung money na yung kasunod. So, who is this person that you're dealing with pagdating sa love for the sign of Earth sign? Person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love for the sign of Earth sign, please. For the sign of Earth sign. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Okay, Earth sign. You do have your 3 of Clover. 7 of Spade and the 4 of Clover is here. The person that you're dealing with, pareho kayo ng energy, no? 3 of Clover. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may communication kayo itong person na to in the past. Kasi nakita natin with the 5 of Clover, ang dami na nagbago eh. So, pwedeng may awayan, may naging kaguluhan dito. So, this person could be person in the past. Nakita tayo ng connection, relationship, partnership in the past. And pwedeng it involves money. I mean, Jack of Clover is also here. Pwedeng itong person na to, malaki rin ang naging involvement ng social media sa connection ninyo. Pwede rin from that, nagkaroon kayo ng partnership, and nagsimula sa communication, and then nagtuloy-tuloy, nagkaroon ng partnership, relationship, then may money na involved, I don't know, but some of you, pwedeng yun. Pero hindi ko nakikita yun yung naging problem na yung money and etc. Mas nakikita natin na naging problem is because of the away. The 7 of Spades is here. So, pwedeng itong person na to is hindi niya alam na nandyan ka pa, and vice versa. Hindi mo alam na nandyan pa siya. Like, nakamasid or what. Ano yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Anong emosyon itong person nito ninyo sa isa't isa? You do have here the 5 of Diamonds. Ace of Hearts. Okay, you love the person. And kaya lang, mahal mo siya, pero hindi siya ang focus mo. Mahal mo siya, pero ang focus mo yung finances mo. Yung iba sa inyo, medyo nagkakaproblema kapag titing sa finances mo. Kailangan mong aksyonan ito, kailangan mong gawa ng changes, yung lifestyle mo, whatever, kung ano man, just to, maayos itong problem mo pagdating dito. And isa nga ito sa solusyon na nakikita mo, yung pag-aayos ng iyong pag-start ulit ng new beginning regarding money, finances. Yung iba, pwedeng may mga something kang binabalik sa buhay mo ngayon na pwedeng may kinalaman sa pagkakakitaan. Alam mo, may nakukuha akong energy na merong iba sa inyo malapit nang dumating yung person na makakatulong sa iyo para magkaroon ka ng changes pagdating sa financial. Emotion ng person na ito for you. Okay. Emotion ng person na ito for you. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Jack of Hearts. Okay, this person, Jack of Hearts, this person loves you. Nine of Spades, Jack of Clover is here. Pero may problema eh. Nasasaktan siya ngayon. But there's a lot of love here. Puro hearts yung nagpapakita sa atin. But unfortunately, yung Five of Hearts nagpapakita ito ng kalungkutan because might be, itong person na to, nangingibabaw sa kanya yung ego niya ngayon eh. Pero mahal ka na itong person na to, and with the Jack of Hearts, no? The Jack of Clover, pwedeng nasabi niya na yun sa'yo. Pero yung iba hindi sinabi, hindi pa nasasabi. And the Nine of Spades is here, so pwedeng may mga problema pa kaya hindi nasasabi. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Don't forget to, comment down below. Follow mo ako sa Facebook page, guys, namin. Two of Spades, Four of Diamonds. Bottom of the deck is a Ten of Diamonds, okay. In the near future, para sa inyong dalawa ng person ito, for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Clarify ko tong Six of Spades. Why is the Six of Spades here? Queen of Spades. Okay. So, nakikita na nandito, in the near future, may decision ka dito na gagawin regarding money, regarding your finances, regarding your ipon, money in the bank, or kung ano man yung mga meron ka. I can see that with the Ten of Diamonds, whatever this decision is, magbibigay ito ng money, ng pera sa'yo, ng finances. I feel like yung iba sa inyo pwede mag-i-invest or what. Pero napaka-good, start for you. Kasi nakakita tayo ng pag-increase ng money dito, you will become more stable, etc. Yung person na kakonect mo, I can see, moving on person or energy mula sa person na to. Bibigyan kita ng, kasi hindi lahat meron eh. Hindi lahat mag-move on. Ganito ha. Pwedeng yung iba, ikaw, mag-move on sa'yo tong person na to. Pero, yung iba, hindi sa'yo. Doon sa isang option pa na meron siya. No? So, I want to clarify, sino itong mag-move on sa'yo? Okay? Sino itong person na ang mag-move on ay kay Earth sign? Okay. 8 of Spades and the 9 of Hearts. So, siya ay mag-move on sa'yo if you are currently stuck in something like relationship, whatever, 9 of Hearts. Nakita tayo dito ng other option mula sa'yo. So, nagkakaroon ng ending itong connection ninyo kasi bakit ko pa itutuloy? May other options ka naman ha. Bakit kita mamahalan? Hindi kita pwede mahalan, etc. And, who is this person naman na hindi mag-move on itong person na to, but rather mag-move on siya dun sa kakonect niya? Okay. So, itong person na to, you do have the Queen of Hearts and the King of Clover, the King of Hearts. This is showing to me if you are somehow like a boss, a leader kind of energy. Or maybe nagwo-work ka sa government, etc. If you are this, then your person will be moving on sa person na kakonect niya. I feel like sobra siya nasasaktan regarding sa connection ninyo. And hindi niya yun kayang ilagay na lang sa parang sa subconscious mind niya. Alam niya sa sarili niya kung ano talagang gusto niya. So, this person will make changes regarding sa situation niya ngayon, and that would lead into this person moving on dun sa connection na meron siya. I mean, if this person, if may mga kakonect pang iba, nakakita tayo na aalisin niya yung mga connections na yun in order na i-work out niya yung connection niya with you. Okay? But of course, medyo masakit, mahirap para sa kanya, so mag-move on siya sa iba or doon sa person na sana na-gets mo, medyo magulo sa part na yun, but sana na-gets mo. Anyway, if you really do like my reading, please do support my channel. Heart, notification bell at subscribe button, nandyan lang. At of course, Madam P yung aming Facebook page. Don't forget na i-follow ako doon. I love you all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.